Hello Yatris. So here I connected my virtual machine with my VS Code. As you can see here in the left corner, I connected it via the remote SSL within the VS Code. You can do it in cursor also. So here let's click on the open folder. As you can see, the files and folders are open from my virtual machine, not from the local system. So let's know how to connect it via your VS Code. So let's go into the Azure, and as you can see, this is running on my public IP address, the same I connected via VS Code. So now let's say you are using the AWS EC2, then process is remains same. Not to change anything. You need to just your IP address, and second you need a PEM file .pem. That's it. Now let's go into your VS Code. Go to your extension, but before that, I will switch into my original VS Code from my local system. So this is my local system. Let's say I click on the open. This open my local system files and folders. So click on cancel as of now. And now you need to first step go to your extension and type remote SSH and just download this one and enable in your VS Code. After this, you are able to access the left corner option, the remote SSH one. Click here and connect to host. And here you can see configure SSH host. Click there and the first option you need to select one. And here you are able to see this screen, right? So here what you need to do, it's a very pretty simple steps. You need to just paste this code. So how to get this code? I will give you the documentation. So as you can see here, Windows and Mac OS. So firstly, as you know, we need a PEM file in this path. So note down this one. And next, you need to run this command to give the permission to your PEM file to execute the virtual machine inside your VS Code and in your local system. So now, how you are going to run this code in your Windows system? Right? So you to just open the PowerShell, run as administrator and change your username with your virtual machine. Then you to just enter your PIM file name. That's it. And run this command. After this, you need to follow the next step. Right? If you are using the Mac, you need to focus on this file. Right? Let me scroll down. So here you can see the forward slash and here is the backward slash, right? So this is for Windows and this is for Mac. So guys, please keep in your mind. Now let's go into VS Code. As you can see, you can keep the name of your virtual machine or whatever, and then you need to enter your IP address of the virtual machine. Then give the username of your virtual machine, then just paste the path. This is for the Mac. In the Windows, you need to change it to backward slash. That's it. Okay. Right now. After doing this, you need to give the permission. Let's say you are using the Mac. Then go to your username and go to your .ssh. So let me enable the hidden files. Right click, open in terminal, right? And just give the permission chmod 400 and your file name. So let me open .sss, copy this one and paste it here. That's it. So you need to give this permission chmod 400 and your file name. Now let's go to the VS Code, and as you can see here, click on the connect to host Yatra Cloud. Then you are able to access the virtual machine directly via your VS Code, and you can use in your cursor also. So that's a very pretty much about this. So click on the open and you can see the workspace the same way I able to access this one. So now you can follow this documentation if you are using the Windows system. Give this permission via this command. And in the Mac OS, I already showed you via chmod 400 command. Fine. So yep, try it out and access your virtual machine via VS Code or cursor the same way. Let's say open the cursor and here you can see click on the same way, connect to host, and you can access the Yatra Cloud virtual machine directly from your IDE here in the cursor itself. So just wait for the loading and you are able to access the same workspace in the cursor also, right? So yeah, try it out and let me know how much are you interested about to learn in a very productive way. So see you soon in the next video. Subscribe to the Yatra Cloud and do it with our practical series. Bye bye.